Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Fantom Price Prediction in Fantom News today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Fantom in 2022. Fantom is an open source and permissionless decentralized smart contract platform for decentralized applications and digital assets, one of many blockchain networks created to provide an alternative to Ethereum. The Fantom mainnet blockchain was launched in December 2019, and its network architecture aims to provide a viable solution to the blockchain trilemma by providing a stable balance of scalability, security, and decentralization. The Fantom Foundation was founded by South Korean computer scientist Dr. On Byung-ik. The current CEO of the platform is David Richardson, former managing director of Mid-Ocean Consulting. According to the official website, the Fantom team consists of engineers of various specializations, scientists, researchers, designers, and entrepreneurs. Employees are scattered all over the world in accordance with the spirit of the distributed platform. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Fantom. Top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch this week. BTC, Luna, AVAX, Atom, FTM. So, crypto markets are expected to remain volatile for the foreseeable future, but BTC's battle to reclaim $40,000 could be followed with rallies from Luna, AVAX, Atom and FTM. The geopolitical news flow is likely to result in volatile moves in Bitcoin, BTC, and altcoins in the next few days. News of Russian President Vladimir Putin ordering the nuclear deterrence forces on high alert may be viewed as a negative, but reports of talks between the warring nations could be positive, as it raises hopes of an end to the conflict. The crypto community came into focus as the Ukrainian government called for help and sought crypto donations. Some individuals on social media said their Ukrainian credit cards had stopped working, and they were not able to withdraw money from their banks. They highlighted how crypto was the only money left with them. While some analysts are projecting that Bitcoin may have bottomed out, Cointelegraph contributor Marcel Pechman warned that derivatives data remains inconclusive. Similarly, Ether futures data was also not painting a hugely bullish picture. The near-term price action will be dictated by the developments in the Russia-Ukraine war. Let's study the charts of the top 5 cryptocurrencies that may lead the recovery on news of a peaceful resolution to the ongoing conflict. BTC SDT Bitcoin's rebound off the February 24 intraday low at $34,322 reached the moving averages on February 26, where the bears are mounting a strong resistance. However, a minor Fantom, FTM, token in a solidly transaction. Furthermore, they blamed the lack of verification on the liquidity pool behind this loss of funds. Nicholas stated, "I have lost all my funds in a solidly transaction. When the transaction executed, it returned 0.01% of what I should have received." It seems the exchange chose a stable liquidity pool LP without liquidity, when there was another variable LP with all the liquidity. It means there is no verification of the LP liquidity when the AM automatically selects stable or variable LPs, without any possible user intervention. Another user claimed that they lost funds worth around $24,000 because of a faulty swap between stablecoin USDC and FTM. Cronj denies security flaw. However, Andrei Cronj, popular DeFi architect and the creator of the Solidly exchange, has dismissed all claims of fund loss from Solidly liquidity pools. In conversation with BingCrypto, Cronj claimed that no bugs had been detected in any of the live smart contracts. He also specifically addressed the claims made by Nicholas, stating, "That's the only thing that has happened, and that's due to users not confirming their output received. They then trade through low liquidity pools. This is not a loss of funds in liquidity pools. This is simply users trading via pairs that don't have liquidity, which again, is nothing on the protocol level." Trouble at launch despite Cronj's assurances. It is interesting to note that this is the second time Solidly has been in the news for less than ideal reasons. The first time was the controversy surrounding its launch, where users were left frustrated due to confusion stemming from a power struggle between Solidex and Zeros DAO. It all started when Cronj distributed ownership to top Fantom protocols based on TVL, leading to a struggle between the two teams on Fantom. Even though Zeros DAO emerged stronger, the team announced that they were not ready for the launch. Users turned towards Solidex in light of this announcement. However, top pools on Solidex were not providing any rewards, and liquidity providers were going empty-handed. Because of the immutable and non-upgradable nature of the smart contracts on Solidly and Solidex, the issue cannot be resolved entirely. The Solidex team is instead looking to ways to mitigate the problem. Founder and CEO Stani Kulichov also discussed the update with Crypto Briefing, noting that V3 optimizes for scalability, cross-chain, and risk mitigation. He added that the OV community will continue to develop and further decentralize the robust ecosystem around the protocol in the future, stating that OV v3 will give the community oversight over key decisions affecting the protocol's development. OV v3 was formally proposed in November, when the team shared its cross-chain plans in a governance post. Besides the V3 update, the leading DeFi project has had a busy few months despite a wider drawdown in the crypto market and brutal bleed across the DeFi space. The OV token been hit particularly hard, trading over 80% down from its high. OV launched a DeFi product catering to institutions in January, and has since stepped into the NFT space with a new social-oriented platform called Lens. It launched a testnet for the project on Polygon last month. Fantom, FTM, the $1.16 area was a demand area in the past week, but was decisively broken a couple of days ago. The short-term Bitcoin surge saw FTM rise back above the $1.16 area, and retest the $1.14 level as support. This area made for a good risk-to-reward region to long FTM at for a scalp-long trade, with $1.22, $1.24 as a take-profit region. The longer-term trend pointed to more downside, hence a rally might not be on the cards. The CMF was at 0.03, and the MACD formed a bearish crossover above the zero line. Today we will discuss the Fantom Price Prediction for 2022-2025. Is Fantom, FTM, a good investment? Now we will analyze this. FTM Rate Prediction 2022. FTM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Fantom rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Fantom rate will be almost $2.21. The maximum bet we can get is $2.61. Fantom average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $2.28. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. FTM Price Prediction 2023. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Fantom will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2023, FTM is expected to peak at $3.94. The minimum bet could rise to $3.19 if the market turns bullish. Price Fantom Forecast 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Fantom could cross $5.52 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around $4.76. FTM Price Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Fantom price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average FTM price will rise to around $7.20 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $8.32 with a minimum price level $6.96. And what does 2026 promise us? FTM can reach $12.03 by 2026 with significant collaboration with financial institutions if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $9.96 for 2026, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2026.